Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make Springday fruit black tea and Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is one of the Dreamlight Cinematics Festival foods in Heartopia, and this is a limited time food. If you want to make the Springday fruit black tea guys, you need to have this popcorn serving cart, and you can craft this item using your workbench. If you don't know how to craft this item, you can watch my previous video. Okay, now let's start to use this item to create the Springday fruit black tea. Okay, this is the recipe. You need to buy the recipe from Masimo. He's at the central square. And okay, you will need this tea and blueberry and also this sugar, and I'm going to click on start cooking. All right, don't forget to adjust the heat level so you can avoid the bizarre drink. Wait, okay, it's almost done. Adjust the heat level one more time. Oh, okay, it's done. And I've just made the Springday fruit black tea. Okay, for the ingredients guys, you can go to Massimo. His right here. Let me show you the Massimo's location. Okay, just go to the central square. I'm sorry, go to the residential street and you will find Massimo. Okay guys, and that's how we can make the Springday fruit black tea and Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.